Good day, I'm Fernando Velasco and I will present a real-life example of variation. My chosen situation is about the relationship between speed and distance. When we travel, the distance we cover depends on our speed. The faster we go, the further we can travel in the same amount of time. This is an example of direct variation because the distance increases as the speed increases. If speed decreases, the distance also decreases. The equation is the d equals to k and s, where d is the distance, s is the speed, and k is the constant. For example, with k equals to 2, then doubling the speed also doubles the distance. And conclusion, the relationship between speed and distance. Showing direct variation, it helps us understand how speed affects how far we travel.